No doubt in my mind, this is the best Android phablet out there, period, hands down. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 reasons why you might not want to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Let's check it out. So hey, I'm Bertrand Tech Man, and every week I produce tech videos, give tips, do tutorials, helping you to use tech to make your life just a little easier. Now, if you're new to my channel, help a tech brother out. Hit that doggone subscribe button down below. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can support this channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you might not want to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And we're going to start from number 5 and then work our way down. So, number 5. The 5th reason why you might not want to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is the camera. Now, granted, the phone comes with 5 different cameras. You got 3 on the back. You got 1 on the inside display screen, and then you got 1 on the outside screen. Now, all of the cameras, except for the 1 on the inside screen, do a fairly decent job. They will take pictures, they will give you a good video. But for $1,500 or $1,800, you don't want good video. You don't want good pictures. You want excellent pictures and excellent videos. Well, you're not going to get that with this. So that's the 5th reason why you might not want to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Reason number 4 is the outer screen display. This candy bar type display, for me personally, I like it because if I'm going to do anything on this display, it's going to be either talking, my text in, or something to that effect. But if you're going to do some typing and you got fat fingers or skinny fingers, it doesn't matter. It's very difficult to do any typing on the outer display. In addition to that, you cannot use your S Pen on the outer display. Now, I had my phone in the first 3 days, I found a scratch on my display. Don't know how it got there. Immediately, I went and I bought a screen protector and put it on there, but scratch came on so easy that it was amazing. So the display, to me, it seems to be a little fragile. This is reason number 4. The candy bar size, the fragile screen, and the hard to use keyboard might be. Reason number 3. Now, if you're a note user like me, and I've had every single note that ever existed, from the beginning to the exploding to whatever, and I love the Note series. But one thing that made me love the Note series was the fact that you could use it as a note. It came with an S Pen inside of the phone itself. This phone does not come with a slot to stick an S Pen in it, nor does it come with an S Pen. If you want an S Pen, you have to buy the S Pen separately. And they come in 2 different formats. You have the S Fold and then you have the Pro. Now, I have bought the S Fold, and I can say that I like it. The difference between the 2 S Pens is the S Fold does your regular normal S Pen type functions, write notes and whatever, but the S Pen Pro has Bluetooth capabilities, will give you a little bit more functionality. You can use it to control certain devices like your camera or playback on your audio apps. But if you want to be able to use it, to have the S Pen included with your tablet, you have to buy a case. A link to this VRS will be in the description below. But if you want the S Pen to be included with your phone, and also that it's actually inside the phone itself, then you might not want to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Reason number 2, the battery life. First of all, let me say this. The battery life is subjective. What I mean by that is it depends upon your use case scenario. Some people don't use the phone that much during the day. Some people like myself that are power users, we use our phones. I use my phone not only to do YouTube videos, to do research, to watch maybe some movies or something like that, go on the internet, texting, everything. And when I use it, roughly I get about 5.5 hours of strong use out of it. Within an 8-hour day, I'm recharging this bad boy. So for a big phone, perhaps. For a phablet, perhaps the battery life might not be that bad. But here again, I'm paying anywhere from $1,500 to $1,800 for this phone. So I don't want mediocre battery life. I don't want good battery life. I want excellent battery life. And unfortunately, this does not have excellent battery life. Quick comparison, my iPhone Pro 13 Max. I can't kill that battery. That battery is like the Energizer Bunny. It goes on and on and on. And it doesn't cost $1,800. So, the number 2 reason why you might not want to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is because of the battery life. Reason number 1, number uno. The number 1 reason why you might not want to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is the price. This phone costs anywhere from $1,500 to $1,800. Now granted, they always having some type of sales that you can get at a discount, some maybe up to $700, $800 off with a trade-in. For $1,800, you can get a Note 20 Ultra, a 7-inch tablet, earbuds, and a hamburger and still have some change. So, for $1,800, you might not want to buy this phone. Now granted, let me say this. Me personally, I love the phone. It is my number 1 driver. This is first, my iPhone Pro 13 Max is second, and then my Pixel is third. And of all 3, I like this one. If you found value in this review, help a tech brother out. Give me a like, ring the bell, share, and comment. A link will be in the description below for the product. And remember, before you buy anything, always first, check it out.